Bonaparte's retreat is a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. You're going to start with the right, and I'm just going to show you, facing you for the time being, that you're going to start by pointing the right forward and to the side. Then you're going to point the right forward again. You're going to do a hitch and set the right to the side. Okay, so recap, you touch front, side, front, hitch, side. Okay, so I'll do it now facing 12 o'clock. You touch front, side, front, hitch, side. We'll do it again. Ready, and touch front, side, front, hitch, side. Now we're going to touch or point with the left. You point front, side. You're going to make a sailor quarter turn to the left with a scuff. So your sailor step without the turn is behind, forward, side. Okay, if you remember your sailor step, and you're going to do that, and all you need to do is turn your head and shoulders a quarter turn to the left and execute that sailor step as you would behind, forward, side. Okay, so you literally don't have to change your footwork, just change your head and shoulders looking towards the left. Okay, so the weights in the right are making that sailor quarter turn, ready, and behind, forward, side, and then you finish by scuffing the right. And scuff is where you just knock the heel against the floor. Okay, so let's put that together from the beginning. Touching the right forward, point front, side, front, hitch, side, point left front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff. Let's do it again. Ready, and point front, side, front, hitch, side, point front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff. Okay, from here you're going to right lock right, so it's right lock right and scuff the left, and a left lock left, scuff the right, scuff. Okay, so you've just done a scuff with the right facing 9 o'clock, you went into a lock, right, scuff, left, lock, left, scuff. Okay, let's add it on from the beginning. Leading with the right, ready, and point front, side, front, hitch, side, front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right, lock, right, scuff, left, scuff. Now you step forward on the right, you're going to make a half pivot. So you're on the balls of the feet and you're going to swivel around looking over your left shoulder until the weight's on the left and you're facing 3 o'clock. Okay, so you transfer the weight from the right to the left. Or if you like, you're transferring the weight from the front foot, and as you come around over your left shoulder, transferring to the front foot. Okay, so if we go from the locks, do a right lock, right scuff, facing 9 o'clock, ready, and right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step on the right, and turn onto the left. Okay, so when we do that half pivot, you're on the balls of the feet to come round, because a pivot is turning without lifting the feet from the floor. You go up onto the balls of the feet and come down. Okay, so from the lock, leading with the right, ready, and right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half pivot. Let's take it from the beginning. Leading with the right, point forward, ready, and front, side, front, hitch, side, front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left scuff, step, half. Now we're going to do a V step, out, in. Okay, so let's add that on from the beginning. Ready, and touch front, side, front, hitch, side, front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, in. And it's a syncopated V step, so you're doing it a bit faster. Then you've got 2 walks forward, walk, and a forward man bow, 2 walks back, 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 and a coaster cross, back together, cross. Okay, so from your V step, out, out, in, leading with the right, ready, and out, out, in. 2 walks forward, right, left, and a forward mambo, forward rock together, coming back, left, right, near coaster cross, back together, cross. So do that section for you again, from the V step, facing 3 o'clock, leading with the right, ready, and out, out, in, walk, walk, forward mambo, back, back, coaster, cross. Let's take it from the top. Leading with the right, touch, front, side, front, hitch, side, touch, front, side, say quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, out, in, walk right, left, forward mambo, back, back, coaster, cross. From your coaster cross, you're going to go into a rumble box, out to the right, side together forward, side together back, back lock on the right, back lock, back, and a back mambo, back mambo. Okay, so from the rumble box, out to the right, ready, and side together forward, side together back, back lock on the right, back lock, back, and a back mambo, back mambo. Weights on the left, and then you're ready to start again. So let's take it from the V step, facing 3 o'clock, ready, and out, out, in, walk right, left, forward mambo, back, left, right, coaster, cross, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back, back lock, back, back mambo. Let's take it from the top. Leading with the right, points, ready, and front, hitch, side, front, side, say quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, out, in, walk, walk, forward mambo, back, back, coaster, cross, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back, back lock, back, back mambo. I'll do it for you with the counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's dance our second wall facing 3 o'clock. Leading with your point right forward. Ready, and front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, say quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half V, out, out, in, walk, walk, forward mambo, back, back, coaster, cross, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back, back lock, back, back mambo. Let's do the back wall. Leading with your right, ready, and touch, front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, say a quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, out, in, walk, walk, forward mambo, back, back, coaster, cross, side together, forward, side together, back, back lock, back, back mambo. Let's do our last wall, facing 9 o'clock. Ready, and touch, front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, say a quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, out, in, walk, walk, forward mambo, back, back, coaster, cross, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back, back lock, back, back mambo. Okay, so when you finish with your back mambo at the end, back mambo, Weights in the left, you start the dance again, touch front, side, front, hitch, side. Okay? So if we go from the rumba box, we'll just practice linking the end at the beginning. Out to the right for your rumba box, ready, and side together, forward, side together, back, back, lock, back, back, mambo, touch front, side, front, hitch, side. Okay, now let's go round the 4 walls without stopping. 5, 6, 7, and touch front, side, front, hitch, side, touch front, side. Sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, in, walk right, left, forward mambo, back, left, right, coaster, cross, side together, forward, side together, back, back lock, back, back mambo, touch front, side, front hitch, side, touch front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left scuff, step, half, out, in, right, left, forward mambo, back, left, right, coast cross, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back, back lock, back mambo, touch front, side, front hitch, side, touch front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, in, walk, forward mambo, back, coaster, cross, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back lock, back mambo, touch front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, in, walk, forward mambo, back, coaster, cross, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back lock, back mambo. In this dance, there is a restart on wall 4 after the first 16 counts. So you'll be starting wall 4 facing 9 o'clock. We'll dance it together and we'll do the restart so you can see what I'm talking about. So from the beginning, touching right forward, ready, and front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left scuff, step, half, out, in, restart, touch front, side, front hitch, side. Okay, so that happens on wall 4, and in the music you will hear him call for the bagpipes. So as soon as you hear the bagpipes, you know you're on wall 4 and you've got that restart. Let's do it again. Facing 9 o'clock, ready, and touch front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, sailor quarter turn, scuff, right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff, step, half, out, in, restart, front, side, front hitch, side. Okay? At the end of this dance, you'll be facing 12 o'clock, you dance the first 6 counts, and then you finish off with a coaster step to finish neatly at the front. So we'll go through that together. You touch front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, coaster, step. Okay, so I'll do that for you again at the end. Touching front, side, front hitch, side, front, side, coaster, step. And that means that you finish the dance neatly facing the front.